The future of driving is here, and it's an award-winning innovation. Botslab, a trailblazer in AI-powered smart technology, has captured the spotlight with its groundbreaking G980H multi-channel dashcam. But this isn't just any dashcam, it's a game-changer that's turning heads and winning accolades. CES 2026 Innovation Award winner. Botslab's G980H has been honored as a 2026 CES Innovation Awards honoree in the Vehicle Tech and Advanced Mobility category. This prestigious award recognizes the dashcam's cutting-edge design, safety enhancements, and engineering prowess, setting a new benchmark for in-car technology. Revolutionizing vehicle safety. The G980H is a dashcam like no other. With its 4-channel recording system, it offers an unprecedented 560 degrees field of view, capturing every angle around the vehicle. Whether it's day or night, the cameras deliver crystal-clear footage, thanks to advanced features like the f1.8 aperture, WDR processing, and infrared illumination. And here's where it gets versatile. Users can switch between a 4-camera setup and a 3-camera mode, allowing for 4K recording with the front lens for ultra-sharp visuals. 24/7 protection and convenience. Botslab has engineered the G980H to be a driver's trusted companion. The dashcam's 24/7 parking mode ensures constant vigilance with time-lapse monitoring, Sentry detection, and collision alerts. Voice control and a user-friendly touchscreen interface make operation a breeze. Drivers can effortlessly review footage and adjust settings, all while keeping their hands on the wheel. And with built-in GPS and seamless integration with the Botslab app, every journey can be replayed with pinpoint accuracy. Reliability and evidence capture. The G980H is built to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance in various climates. But what sets it apart is its ability to capture critical moments before an impact, using advanced G-sensor pre-recording. This feature could be a game-changer in accident investigations, providing drivers with crucial evidence. AI-driven smart driving. Botslab's philosophy is to create technology that not only records events but helps drivers understand and predict them. The G980H embodies this vision, merging AI intelligence with intuitive design and user-centric functionality. The result? A driving experience that's not just safer but smarter. A growing ecosystem of AI-enhanced devices. Botslab's portfolio extends beyond dashcams. From security cameras to kids' smartwatches and AI note devices, the company is dedicated to transforming everyday living with AI-powered innovations. And with each new product, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Controversy or cutting edge. Some may argue that advanced dashcams like the G980H could lead to privacy concerns or over-reliance on technology. But is this a valid criticism or a necessary evolution in road safety? As AI-powered devices become more prevalent, where do we draw the line between innovation and intrusion? Share your thoughts below. For those eager to explore the G980H's capabilities, visit https://global.botslab.com and discover the future of smart driving.